Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds a and a. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the a sound in the word rain, rain, rain. Now the sound in the word run, run, run. Now I will use them both in a sentence. They run in the rain. They run in the rain. They run in the rain. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!